Good day to you, my trading friends. It is Thursday, January 28th, 2021, and your cherry bomb trade is in for today. So I don't think my cherry bomb yesterday filled, and I released two videos yesterday, which it looks like the GameStop video got way more views than the FXI video. So in case you missed yesterday's cherry bomb on FXI, it's there, I promise. It just might have been overshadowed. So speaking of shadow, yesterday was a little bit of an ouch day. If your portfolio, like mine, was long on little deltas, so you probably felt some pain. We'll take a look at that today. IBM is our candidate for today for consideration. It has a liquidity rank of 3 out of 4, an IV rank of 18. So we're going to position ourselves with yet another long call spread, a debit spread. So if you're interested in considering IBM for a trade in your portfolio, come on inside as we get into thinkorswim. Hi, my name is Neil, and this is Option Theory. Thank you so much for joining us. I do appreciate all of your views. If you're new to this channel, head on down to that description. There will be a link for you to go and sign up for the Tasty Trade Cherry Bomb email list. If you haven't already subscribed to that, it's there for you. That's what we use. We get those emails 5 days a week, and they come from Tasty Trade, not me. So we look forward to having you join us. With that said, on screen, you can see here the portfolio that we've gotten constructed so far. Target's been interesting. That was up a big profit. That came down quite a bit, and we're at 22 days to expiration, so we can roll that call and probably make a good amount. So I'm probably going to be doing that tomorrow, but we'll see what happens to Target today. All right, so that's something interesting. Apple is doing all right. Microsoft was our earnings trade that hey, it might come back to the positive territory for us. Remember, we put this on to reduce our deltas. I'm glad we had something. Granted, it didn't help us too much, right? All right, so yesterday's ouch move, right, was pretty bad, and that's all right. Now we're going to see if we can profit from IBM recovering. So here's IBM's chart. You see this big gap down over here, and then it's on its way back. So we're going to buy some calls right about here. Right? And then hopefully it's going to at least come back to here, right? That would work out great for us. So let's go here into the Analyze tab. Let's go to Add Simulated Trade. Make sure IBM is in your ticker over here. And we're going to be in the March monthly expirations with 50 days to expiration as of today. And we're looking at, of course, being at the money. We're going to buy the 120 and sell the 125. We're doing one contract. Watch your numbers here. So you can see we're long the 120, short the 125 for a debit of $1.95 on a $5 wide spread. Right? So we know we're paying less than we can make, so the probabilities are going to be a little less than we would like. So let's go ahead to that probability phase of our videos anyway. Here it is, risk profile. Let's set the date to expiration, which March 20th. There it is. And that's pretty good. I'll set the slices to break even at expiration. And we're looking at a 45, there it is, 45% probability of winning on this trade. So, but the P50, according to Tastyworks, when I throw this trade in there, is near 70%. It's like, the number one less than 70. So there it is. That is our probabilities of profit on this one. Let's call this a little bit of a lottery ticket. Let's see what happens, right? Because we could make $305 on this trade. We could lose $1.95, $195. Yeah, so it's, pretty close to 50-50, but it's way better than just buying the call, right? So let's go ahead and right-click this trade, choose Confirm and Send, and see that we can make what we can make and what we can lose. I'm okay with that. So let's go ahead and hit send. That'll put that in our working orders. And I have received questions recently about, how can we automatically take profits and whatnot, besides setting alerts, because I did a video on how to set profit alerts and it's gotten a lot of views, which I'm really proud of. But also you see what I have here are these good till cancel orders, right? So I did a video on that one not that long ago, and it's called GTC, right? How to take profit on your terms. So check out that video. Hopefully by tomorrow, I'll have a card up there for you sliding across on how to set those good till cancel orders. All right, so if you made it this far into the video, I'm so happy. Here's a thumbs up for you. and I do appreciate that. It helps me. If you would like to help me a little extra, if you like this video, would you hit that like button down below? If you haven't yet subscribed, that's okay. That subscribe button will always be there. We hope someday that you do click it and hit that bell so that you can be notified when our videos come out, because these trades are time sensitive. All right, everybody, until I see you in tomorrow's final cherry bomb of the week, happy trading.